In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play videos on hover in Webflow. We're setting up that smooth, modern effect where a video starts playing the moment your cursor hovers over it and stops when you move away. This is great for product previews, portfolio reels, and interactive galleries, and it's quick to implement once you know the pieces involved. First, work inside your Webflow project in the designer where your video lives. Make sure you can identify the exact video element you want to control. This could be a native video element or a video nested inside a card or link block. Knowing where it sits in your structure will help when you connect it to the script. Next, add the hover logic to your site's custom code in the head section. This small script is the engine that makes everything work. It looks across the page for elements you flag for hover playback, finds the video within them, and then listens for mouse enter and mouse leave. On hover, it plays. When you hover out, it pauses and usually resets to the start for a clean, looped feel. Placing it in the head ensures it's available across your pages and initializes before your content is interacted with. Keep the script lightweight, and if you already have a site-wide custom code area, that's the perfect place for it. Now back in the designer, click the video element you want to control and open the settings panel. You'll see the area where element-specific options live, including a section for custom attributes. This is where you'll give the script a reliable hook so it knows which videos should respond to hover. Add a new custom attribute. In the name field, type data hover video, and in the value field, type true. Spelling and hyphens matter here. This name is what the script is watching for. Once this attribute is saved, you've effectively connected that video to the hover behavior without touching the layout or adding extra interactions. From here, hovering over the tagged element should immediately trigger playback, and moving your cursor away should pause it. If you're using embedded players that don't expose HTML5 controls like certain third-party iframes, consider using a standard video element with an MP4 source for full control. For a smoother experience, shorter clips and properly compressed files work best, and muted videos tend to feel more seamless for quick previews. That's all you need to enable hover to play in Webflow. Nice work getting this set up.